Hey guys, what is up? It is me, Paul, here, back with another video for you today. And today, guys, this is going to be my first video. My name is Paul Dickton, and also known as Bontada 72. So today, guys, we're going to be getting right into a voodoo shotgun, which I just bought at Dick's today, guys. Looks excellent. So as you see here, it has a bonus sling included, which I think is amazing. I already opened it, guys, to read the instructions on how to do everything before I mess up. But yeah, so this goes up to 390 feet. It's spring powered, no batteries required, and the magazine holds 18 rounds. And yeah, guys, I also bought these BBs today. I recommend if you do buy this shotgun, you get these BBs, great deal, only $20 for 10,000, but they're 0.12 grams for these. Also, guys, before we get started, I did not buy this mask today, but I prefer you guys buy these masks because when I put it on, it protects your ears, as you see here. Because I don't want any of you guys getting hurt with getting BBs in your ears, because I know how it feels. Alright, guys, so let's get into this box. Alright. So, guys, this is it. This is the sling. I already attached it when I opened it before. It comes with BBs. It comes with BBs, very nice BBs. And guys, I will also be, not nice BBs. I do recommend using these because they're not as bad as any of the other ones because you can tell they put them in. But I'm gonna be buying a pistol very soon. Don't know which one yet, but yeah. And guys, how you get the magazine out? You hold these, both of these, and then just pull it out, and it comes right out for you. So then, another thing right here. It's an adjustable stock, so you can put it anywhere you want. Like right here, you have right here, or right here, which I think is very nice. You could attach a scope, flashlight, laser sight, or whatever you want in here. So this is safety, non-safety. It's a pump action shotgun, as you can see. And it's voodoo, so I'm gonna get up and show you guys what it looks like. The grip is very comfortable on this gun. It feels very nice with the aim. The stock is very comfortable on here. The reload action is really good. I'm not going to do it because my dog's probably sleeping because it's very late at night right now, guys, as we're shooting this video. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Please go like and subscribe to my videos at Bontada 72. But you guys can call me Paul. Thank you, guys. Also, my goal for this video is 5 likes. Thank you.